Good morning. Where are we? Where are we? We are in a location which is true to your heart. We got the mosquito repellent on, and we are trying out my Denman brush because I forgot your brush, and it's bone chewing and brush time. And I think we've discovered something. Look at this. You love this. You do. You do. You love it. Look at it. Isn't this lovely? Look. Aww, it's lovely. Look, all the hair on there. And then the hair we've been getting. Eh? Lie down. Lie down, little boy. Come on. Let's have some hair. Mommy has to share her brush with you. Sometimes I brush my hair. But his brush, I thought I brought it. Hey, sit down. Sit. Sit. Look how nice that is. Come on. Oh, that's beautiful. I need 2 hands for this. Oh, no. Oh, look at you. Look at you, so gentle. This one doesn't rip your hair out. The other one does. Eh? Look at that. Rip it up. That's good for us. It's good for you.